life, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most amazing day today as always. Today I'm coming at you with my August favourites, and I cannot believe August is over. I say it every month, I know this, but before we know it, it's going to be Christmas, and then it'll be New Year, and before we know it then I'll be 27, and it just makes me feel a little bit sick to the stomach thinking that I'm going to be 27, which is a little bit stressful. But anyway, we're going to move on. We're going to move on. If I'm going to be honest, I haven't loved an awful lot this past month. I've probably got under 10 things to share with you, simply because my August was the weirdest month I've had so far this year, I think, to be honest, because I went to Disney, which I'll talk about more in a minute. Then I lost my job, which sucked. So it's been very up and down, but we're gonna stay positive. Before I get into this video, please, please, please subscribe if you're not already, because just under 50% of you aren't subscribed to my channel, and it actually makes me sad. So if you're watching this video and you have not hit that subscribe button, please do. I upload twice a week on this channel, mainly Lush content, also some Disney, also some lifestyle. So let me know down below any videos you want to see. But yeah, please subscribe if you're not already, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm firstly going to start off with skincare. The first item is a moisturizer, and I actually bought this moisturizer quite a while ago, and I completely forgot I had it in my collection. However, I dug it out the other day, and I've been obsessed with it ever since, and that is the Origins Ginseng Hydrating Moisturizer. This moisturizer is expensive. It's about £30, I'm not gonna lie. It's not cheap, but it is unreal. Firstly, it smells like, you know, the inside of the orange chocolate sweets you get in a tin of like Quality Street? That is what this smells like. It smells unreal. But also it makes my skin feel the softest it's ever felt, ever. It's unbelievable. So 10 out of 10, cannot recommend this enough. I really want to try more from their collection. So if you guys have tried the eye cream or anything and you love it, let me know. But yeah, obsessed with this. And the second item I have been obsessed with has been the Face Facts Soothing Face Masks. This is a clay face mask in a kind of squeezy tube, and this is vegan and it's not tested on animals. I can't remember where I got this from. I think it was B&M or Aldi. I can't quite remember. I will put it down below. If I don't, please someone remind me. But I can't remember where I got this from, but I'm pretty sure if you just Google Face Facts, so hard to say, Face Facts face masks, it will come up. Really, really lovely, really easy to apply, really easy to remove, not too harsh on the skin. My skin feels so soft afterwards, and it's just really nice. And if you're traveling or something, like, these are just really small and easy to pack. So yeah, been loving those. My fragrance favourite of the month has been my Yes I Am perfume. I have been obsessed with this recently. I think I have only like half of it left, which is really sad because it is not cheap, I'm not gonna lie. But this perfume is one of my favourites I've ever used. I'm obsessed. Like, oh, it just smells unreal. Like, I can't even describe the scent. It's quite strong, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, if you don't like strong scents, you might not like this one, but it's definitely got that kind of going out sort of fragrance to it, but also I wear it every day. So I've been loving this. It was quite a popular fragrance a few months ago, but I have still been using it, still been obsessed with it. So 10 out of 10, and the bottle is adorable, so you can't not love that. So my next favourite was actually an activity in August, and that is Disneyland Paris. You guys should have seen my vlogs by now. They are on my channel for your viewing pleasure, so I hope you guys enjoyed those. We went in the middle of the month and it was so fun. We went for 3 days. We were meant to go for 4, but I explained that all on my vlogs, so go and check those out if you haven't seen them already. But yes, I love Disneyland so much, and I bought quite a few nice things there. So yeah, 10 out of 10, great trip. Love you, Holly, miss you. So now moving on to my makeup favourites of the month. The first item is a lip gloss, and it's actually the one I'm wearing, and I've been obsessed with this recently, and it is the Essence Shine Lip Gloss in the shade No Brainer. I can't remember for the life of me whether I mentioned this in my last favourites, but I've been obsessed with it. I've not stopped using this. I love it so much. It leaves such a lovely finish on the lips. I also have the clear one, which is a plumping gloss, which I do like, but I don't really like the plumping aspect of it so much, so I do prefer this one, I'm not gonna lie to you. It is really good, and these are so affordable. It was under £3. I think it might have just been £2 if I can remember rightly. I'm not too sure, but I think it was £2, which is unbelievable. So yeah, I really love this, and definitely just so good for the money. I can't get over it. So if you've got Essence anywhere near you, try this, honestly. It's so good. My favourite lip gloss of the year, I think. My eyeshadow palette favourite of the month I'm actually wearing today, and I've been wearing pretty much all month, and that is the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and it looks like this. I love this palette a lot. I really am enjoying it. I've been wearing the shade Bucked Blur and a tiny bit of Endgame kind of as my daily colours, and if I use a shimmer I really like this one, which is called Reputation, which is a really lovely kind of bronzy colour, and also Angel Fire, which is this one. I kind of like them all, I'm not gonna lie. They are all super wearable colours. The pink one obviously not so much for some people, but it is nice just all over the lid on its own. Obviously, Urban Decay eyeshadow palettes are not cheap, I'm not gonna lie. They are about £40 for £50, something like that sometimes. So they're not cheap, but I do really love Urban Decay eyeshadows. They've been my favourite for so long. You could say I'm a little bit of a collector of Urban Decay eyeshadows. I filmed a video years ago of all the eyeshadow palettes I had from Urban Decay back then, and I don't know whether it's grown too much since then, but I could be completely wrong. I could have spent hundreds of pounds on them since then. So yeah, if you want to watch that, then definitely go and check that out. But I love this so much. I'm pretty sure you can still buy it. I'm not too sure, but it's so good. It's so worth it. So if you haven't got this, do go and give it a little look. If you don't want to spend £40 to £50 on an eyeshadow palette, I do also really love the Makeup Revolution ones, which are £10 to £20 depending on what one you want to go for. So yeah, if you haven't tried this, give it a swatch. If you don't want to try it, Makeup Revolution is my next favourite. And my last two favourites are both Lush items. The first one is a shower jelly, and this is the Needles and Pines shower jelly. This smells unreal. I can't even describe to you what it smells like. It's so fresh. I've cut mine into little cubes because I find it easier to use, but I absolutely love this so much. I've been reaching for it in the mornings, especially because it's so refreshing on the skin. It's just got a really fresh morning-y scent to it, if that makes any sense, and I have been obsessed with it. Absolutely love this. Unfortunately, you can't buy it anymore. However, there is an item from the Christmas range which smells like this, so go and check that out. But yeah, obsessed. Like 10 out of 10. One of the best shower jellies, honestly. And my last favourite of the month has been a fragrance from Lush, and that has been the Lord of Mistral perfume. Now, I actually refrained myself from using this for such a long time. However, I did realise that Lush perfumes can actually evaporate. So I had a whole bottle of 29 High Street that is now non-existent, which is so sad. So I've been using my Lush perfumes a bit more because I obviously don't want them to go to waste, and the Lord of Mistral has just always been a favourite of mine. I have got a 100ml bottle as well, so I am using this one as sort of an everyday perfume, kind of alongside this one, just mixing and matching with these. But yeah, obsessed with this. I don't know whether you can get it at the moment, but I think that it will probably come out nearer Christmas time if they do bring it out again. But yeah, I love Lord of Mistral. It's such a 10 out of 10 fragrance for me. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you will know that, but I love Lord of Mistral. Oh, it's delicious. I love it. So that is everything from my August favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, I know it wasn't overly loads of things, but I just wanted to do this video because I like to do favourites videos, and let me know down below whether you enjoy them, because I really like watching them, but I don't know whether they're still a thing or not, so let me know down below if you enjoyed it. Also, like I said at the beginning, if you're not subscribed, please do. I would love to reach 10k, and it is becoming more and more realistic every single day. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. It would make my day, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!